How do immune cells travel through lymphatic vessels? Imagine your immune system as a busy highway of tiny cells moving to keep you safe. These cells need a special route to reach the places where they can do their best work. That route is the lymphatic vessels. But how do they get there? Let's find out. First, immune cells like dendritic cells and T lymphocytes start their journey in your tissues. They move toward tiny, thin vessels called initial lymphatic vessels. These vessels are like small capillaries that are perfect for taking in fluid and cells. Dendritic cells, which help show your immune system what's dangerous, move by a process called ameboid migration. This means they crawl through tissues without needing to stick tightly to anything, guided by chemical signals. One of these signals is a chemical called CCL21. It is produced by the lining of the lymphatic vessels, called lymphatic endothelial cells. These cells create a gradient, which is like a trail of scent that guides the dendritic cells toward the vessel. The dendritic cells have a receptor called CCR7 that detects CCL21. When they find the right spot, they squeeze through tiny openings or portals in the vessel wall. This entry does not need strong sticking molecules called integrins under normal conditions. But if there is inflammation, the vessels produce more adhesion molecules, and the cells might need to stick a little more to get through. Once inside the lymphatic vessel, the immune cells are carried along by a combination of active movement and the vessel's own contractions. These vessels have one-way valves that stop the cells from going backward. The vessels also contract on their own, pushing the lymph and immune cells forward. Most of the cells traveling are T lymphocytes, making up about 80 to 90% of the cells in lymph. Dendritic cells and smaller numbers of B lymphocytes also travel through these vessels. When they reach the lymph nodes, the immune cells are guided by more chemical signals, like CCL21, to move deeper into the node. The lymphatic endothelial cells help organize this process, making sure the immune cells find the right spots. Here, they meet other immune cells and antigens, which helps the body recognize and fight infections. This entire journey is essential for keeping your immune system alert and ready to respond. It also helps maintain fluid balance in your tissues. So, next time you think about your immune defenses, remember the tiny cells traveling through the lymphatic vessels, always on the move to protect you.